Welcome back to RVP Auto1, the home of luxury, performance, and everything in between. Today, we're diving into one of the most aggressive, outrageous, and over-the-top SUVs on the planet, the 2026 Mansory GLS 63 P850. If you thought the standard GLS 63 AMG was wild, wait until you see what Mansory has done to it. Spoiler alert, subtlety was not on the menu. From the moment this beast rolls into frame, you can feel the presence. The bodywork is nothing short of brutal. Mansory has taken the already bold GLS 63 and given it a full carbon fiber makeover. The new front fascia is completely reworked, sharper, meaner, and wider, with a new grille design that leaves no doubt, this is no ordinary AMG. The bumper has massive air intakes and carbon fiber detailing everywhere. LED DRLs stretch out aggressively, giving the SUV a scowl like it's ready to pounce. Along the sides, it's all-wide fenders, forged carbon panels, and deep side skirts. You've got 24-inch forged alloy wheels wrapped in ultra-performance tires that barely contain the power. And let's not forget the subtle Mansory badging that reminds you this isn't just an AMG, it's been reimagined by a tuner that doesn't know the word restraint. The carbon fiber mirrors, vents, and rear diffuser add more drama, and at the back, that massive quad exhaust system isn't just for show. It sounds as violent as it looks. Step inside, and it's clear Mansory hasn't stopped at the surface. This interior is dripping in luxury and extreme customization. The upholstery is hand-stitched leather with diamond patterns, illuminated Mansory logos, and Alcantara accents from headliner to door panels. The digital cockpit remains largely like the AMG setup but with special graphics, ambient lighting themes, and bespoke animations. The steering wheel is reshaped with carbon and Alcantara, and even the pedals are custom machined aluminum. Everywhere you look, it's clear this SUV is made to impress. But we haven't even talked about the most insane part yet, performance. Under the hood lies the same 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 that powers the Mercedes-AMG GLS 63, but Mansory has completely reworked it. We're talking new turbochargers, upgraded EQ, performance intakes, high-flow exhaust, and serious tuning. The result? A staggering 850 horsepower and around 1,100 Nm of torque. 0 to 100 km per hour. Around 3.6 seconds. That's supercar territory, in a full-size SUV that weighs over 2.5 tons. The top speed is electronically limited to 320 km per hour, but honestly, this thing feels like it could go even faster. What's it like to drive? Brutal. The throttle response is instantaneous. The transmission, a revised 9-speed AMG speed shift, handles the extra torque like a champ. The exhaust note, deep, aggressive, and louder than you'd expect from an SUV. It's got that signature Mansory growl that shakes the ground and makes your presence known from blocks away. And despite the insane power, the air suspension, now recalibrated for Mansory's setup, keeps things surprisingly stable, whether you're cruising or flooring it on a straightaway. Braking performance is just as important when you're pushing this much mass and power, and Mansory hasn't skimped here either. Upgraded carbon ceramic brakes provide immense stopping force, and the feel through the pedal is reassuring. The ride can be firm in Sport Plus mode, but in comfort, it's still a GLS, luxurious, smooth, and capable of soaking up long journeys in supreme comfort. Tech-wise, it's fully loaded. You've got the MBUX system with dual 12.3-inch screens, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, augmented reality navigation, a Burmester 3D surround sound system, and every driver assistance feature Mercedes can throw at you. But again, what makes this version special is the Mansory twist, custom UI graphics, unique interior ambient lighting presets, and that feeling that everything's been tailored just for you. Let's talk about the kind of buyer who would go for something like the GLS 63 P850. This is not a car for the discreet. This is for the bold, the unapologetically flashy, someone who wants presence, power, and prestige in one wild package. It's for the person who thinks a regular AMG isn't enough, who wants something rarer, louder, and more unique. This SUV isn't trying to blend in, it's trying to dominate. And the price? Well, if you have to ask, it's probably not for you. The base GLS 63 AMG starts around $140,000, but once Mansory is done with it, After the custom carbon, the interior overhaul, the performance upgrades, and the exclusivity, you're easily looking north of $400,000, maybe even $500,000 depending on the spec. That's exotic car money, but then again, this is an exotic SUV in every sense of the word. Of course, not everyone will love it. Some purists think Mansory goes too far, that it's too loud, too brash, too much. But that's the point. Mansory isn't about subtle elegance. It's about taking performance to the extreme and wrapping it in the most aggressive package imaginable. And for the people who love that, this is the ultimate expression. To wrap things up, the 2026 Mansory GLS 63 P850 is one of the most ridiculous and exciting SUVs we've ever reviewed on RVP Auto1. It's insanely powerful, visually striking, and packed with bespoke details that elevate it far beyond the average luxury SUV. It's fast, it's loud, it's absurdly expensive, and it's not for the faint of heart. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next insane ride. This is RVP Auto1, and we'll see you next time with more high-octane content.